Most UK gardeners think they should stop sowing seeds in January, but that is not always true. I'm part of many Facebook groups and you see eager new gardeners sowing all the seeds, following the seed packets when it says sow in January, and they say, no, you shouldn't start them now, it's too early, and do it this way, do it that way. And listen to me, I know all the advice and tips and advice. I don't personally know all the tips and advice, I've just learned along the way. Now, a lot of the seeds, like I said in one of my previous videos, don't start them till March because they'll grow leggy and they won't grow well at all, and you'll end up having to spend more money on more seeds to start them all off again and see if they grow better. You're best off starting most of your seeds off in March, April time, and they will catch up and grow really well, especially tomatoes. I always start mine off in March and they're fruiting all the way up to October. Now, the seeds that you do need to start now are the aubergines, peppers and chilies, which I've explained in another video, because they need a long growing season to grow and they need the heat and natural light to get growing. Now, if they don't have natural light, they'll end up growing leggy and they won't grow well at all, and again you'll have to start again. Now, one of the years I grew them in March and they were only just ripening in September, but I started them last year in January by starting them off in my flat first, and yeah, we got a great harvest last year. So there's only certain seeds that you can start this month as well. The flower seeds, you can start your sweet peas off now. They enjoy a good long growing season. Again, they need the natural light to get growing, so we're going to probably be starting our sweet peas off next month and get them growing well, and hopefully get some great flowers on them, because sweet peas are absolutely gorgeous. They cut and come again. The more you cut them, the more they'll keep flowering all the way up to September, October, and they provide a fantastic scent as well. And obviously a lot of the reasons why the seeds fail is because they don't have the natural light and the nice enough space to get growing really well. So I've got a massive greenhouse down here at my allotment, and it's one that I built myself, and it's got all the shelving in, and come March time sometimes we have a mini little heat wave, usually about a week long, and that will get all the seeds germinating and growing really well. I've done that for the last 20 years now, and it's a perfect time to get all the seeds started in March time. So if you're thinking about sowing your seeds, wait until then, wait until I start, and we will get growing together down here at the allotment. So it's not about, gardening isn't always about success, it's been about what you get from it. Sometimes you'll have failures, sometimes you'll have amazing crops. It's about learning along the way, and obviously everybody lives in different regions of the UK. If you live down south, say in Cornwall, you've got about a month earlier than what I have, because it's warmer down south than it is up north. So that is the reason why I start all my seeds off in March time. So yeah, make sure you drop us a follow to stay up to date with all our videos and when we're going to be sowing all our seeds on our allotment. Until next time everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining and keep gardening with Ben everyone.